Welcome to the try exercise solution for lesson 9 of the Basic Algebra in full series, which is on linear equations in one variable. Now, for this first one, as you can see, all the operators are siblings, and we want to find x, so we have to move all the x to the left-hand side first, all the terms that have x. So this gives us 8x minus 3x is equal to 10 plus 5. So this now gives us 5x is equal to 15. And then if we divide both sides by 5 to get rid of this 5 will cancel 5. Then we will have x is equal to 5 here 1, 5 here 3. X is equal to 3. And that becomes the final answer. Now for this second try exercise, it says that we should make y the subject of the formula. And as we can see, y is in a root. So, but we are not bothered about that yet. What we are more concerned about right now is that y is entangled in a fraction. So we have to find a way to take off that fraction. We cannot cross multiply because there is an x plus here. Remember, we said cross multiplication will only work if that is the only fraction on that side. There must be no other operator that is to the left or to the right of that fraction. But in this case, we have x plus the fraction. So the first thing to do is to move the x to the other side so that we will start isolating y gradually. So what do? Root y over 9 is equal to 1 minus x, because when x goes to the other side, it becomes minus x. Next thing is now to take away the fraction so that we have root y on its own. To do that, we will now cross multiply. If we cross multiply this way, it now gives us root y is equal to 9 into 1 minus x. Remember, don't make the mistake of writing 9 times 1 minus x. The 9 is multiplying the entire thing on that side, so it has to be in a bracket. The 1 minus x has to be in a bracket. So this now gives us root y is equal to, we use the distributive law to expand this bracket, and it gives us 9 times 1 is 9 minus 9 times x is 9x. Now, to make y stand on its own, you need to remove the root. And to remove the root, you do the inverse, which is the square. So if we square this side, then the y will go out of its root. So if we are squaring this side, we have to also square the right-hand side. So if we square both sides, we will now have the square will cancel the root. So y is now on its own. So y becomes 9 minus 9x all squared. And that becomes the final answer. Or if you don't want to expand the bracket, it is still fine. You could write it this way. If you square both sides from here this way, then this now gives us the square will cancel the root. Y is equal to 9 squared, then 1 minus x squared. That now gives us y is equal to 9 squared is 81. Then we have 1 minus x squared, and this is also an appropriate answer. Y is equal to 81 into 1 minus x all squared. Now for this third try exercise, we have brackets. So as usual, we are going to expand the brackets first. If we do that, we have this times this gives us 5 over 2x minus 10 over 3. Then the second bracket minus 2 over 5 times x gives us minus 2x over 5 minus 14 over 5, then plus 3 is equal to 7x over 10 minus 1. Now let's collect like terms. Move all the terms that have x to the left and all the other ones to the right. So this now gives us 5x over 2 minus 2x over 5 minus 7x over 10 is equal to 10 over 3 plus 14 over 5 minus 3 minus 1. Please, if you are not following this collecting like terms and moving terms across equations, go back to lesson 2. You'll understand it better. Now, let's simplify by using LCM. On this side, the LCM of 2, 5, and 10 is 10. This thing we are doing now is simplifying algebraic fractions, is our lesson 7 of this series. So if you are not able to follow closely here, go back to lesson 7 and watch before you come back to this lesson or this try exercise. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 5x is 25x. Minus 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 2x is 4x. Minus 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 times 7x is 7x. Is equal to, we do the same here, LCM here, 3 and 5 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times 10 is 50. Plus 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 14, 42. Then minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. So if we simplify this further, 25x minus 4x is 21x. 21x minus 7x is 14x. So we have 14x over 10 is equal to 50 plus 42 is 92 over 15 minus 4. Now we can still go ahead and do the LCM here. If we make this 4 over 1, LCM here is 15. 15 divided by 15 is 1. 1 times 92 is 92. Minus 15 divided by 1 is 15. 15 times 4 is 60. So we still have our 14x over 10 on this side, don't forget. So equal to this. Simplifying further, 14x over 10 is equal to 92 minus 60 is 32 over 15. Now we can cross multiply. 14x times 15 gives us 210x is equal to 32 times 10 is 320. Doing the same thing we've been doing, we have to divide both sides by 210 to make x free. And once we do that, we will now get x is equal to 320 over 210. We have to simplify it, obviously. So the 0 will cancel the 0. It now gives us a final answer that x is equal to 32 over 21. Now for this fourth and final try exercise, we are asked to find the value of x. So as usual, we are going to expand the brackets because we don't want brackets in our answer as much as possible. So using the distributive law, this will multiply this will multiply this. So that will give us 3 over 2x plus 3 root 50 over 4 minus x over 3 plus root 18 over 3 is equal to x over 2. That is, we are now expanding this bracket. This will multiply this will multiply this. Plus root 72 over 2 plus root 8 over 3. Now all the brackets are gone. The next thing you notice here is that all the operators are from the same family. So we can collect like terms. Let's move all the terms that have x to the left and all the other ones to the right. So this now gives us 3x over 2 minus x over 3 minus x over 2. So what we've done is we moved, this is already on the left, this is already on the left, and then this one that was on the right, we brought it to the left, and then it became minus. So equal to root 72 over 2 plus root 8 over 3 minus 3 root 50 over 4 minus root 18 over 3. Now let us start simplifying. On this side, we find the LCM of 2, 3, and 2. So the LCM is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 3x is 9x. Minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times x is 2x. Minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times x is 3x. So equal to, let's try and split or use prime factorization for the terms inside the roots to see if there's anyone we can pull out. So this gives us root 72. 72 is the same thing as 9 times 8. So root 9 times 8 over 2 plus root 8. 8 is the same thing as 4 times 2. So root 4 times 2 over 3 minus 3 root 50 is 25 times 2 over 4. Then minus 8, root 18. 18 is 9 times 2. So 9 times 2 over 3. So this now gives us 9x minus 2x is 7x. 7x minus 3x is 4x. So on this side we have 4x over 6 is equal to root 9 times 8. The 9, the root is 3, so 3 comes out and leaves only 8 inside. So we have 3 root 8 over 2 for this first one. For the second one, 4 root of 4 is 2, so 2 comes out and leaves 2 in the roots. So this gives us plus 2 root 2 over 3. For this one, root 25 is 5, so 5 comes out and multiplies the 3 to give us 15 root 2 minus 15 root 2 over 4. Then for this last one, 9, the root of 9 is 3, so 3 comes out and leaves root 2. So this now gives us minus 3 root 2 over 3. This now becomes 4x over 6 is equal to 3 root 8. We know that root 8 is the same thing as 4 times 2 because we did it here. And that 4 times 2 gives us 2 root 2. So the 2 comes out and multiplies this 3 to give us 6. So this is 6 root 2 over 2 plus 2 root 2 over 3 minus 15 root 2 over 4 minus 3 root 2 over 3. Now let's find the LCM of this 4. So this is 4x over 6 is equal to the LCM of 2, 3, and 4 is 12. So we use 12. How did we get it? Just for a refresher, we know that the LCM between 2 and 4 is 4. Then between 4 and 3, we just multiply it. 4 times 3, 12. Okay, so 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 6 root 2 is 36 root 2 plus 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 2 root 2 is 8 root 2 minus 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 15 root 2 is 45 root 2. Then 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 3 root 2. That will give us minus 12 root 2. So if we simplify further, as you can see, each of these terms here has root 2. So this makes all these like surds or like roots. So we can add and subtract them. So this will now give us 4x over 6 is equal to 36 plus 8 is 44. Then 44 minus 45 is minus 1. Then minus 1 minus 12 is minus 13. So this gives us minus 13 root 2 over 12. We can now cross multiply. And then this will now give us 4x times 12 is 48x is equal to 6 times minus 13 root 2 minus 78 root 2. So to free up x, we divide both sides by 48. And that will now give us x will now be minus 78 root 2 over 48. So the numbers up and down are even numbers. So we know that 2 can divide them. So 2 into 78 will give us 39. Yeah. Then 2 into 48 gives us 24. 3 can still divide. So 3 into 39 gives us 13. And 3 into 24 gives us 8. So that means what we have here is minus 13 root 2 over 8. So the answer will be x is equal to minus 13 root 2 over 8. And that becomes the final answer. So this is the end of the try exercise solutions. If you want more exercises, check our website mathinfo.com. Keep studying, and remember, in mathematics, it's all connected.